Here he comes right towards our boat. Sometimes they do that. These are Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. They live an average of 40 years. I think the longest one lived 62. And they're 300 to 500 pounds, 6 to 8 foot long. And they are here year round. They're just feeding all the time. Sometimes you find them up in this area or 10 other areas. They could be up where the multi-million-dollar homes are, or out here in the mangrove forest, or out in the Gulf 30 miles. They're just everywhere. You just got to look for them, and hopefully you'll find them, which we do about 90% of the time. Sometimes these dolphins will be alone like that, but spread out, and other times they'll be in groups of 5 or 6, or anywhere in between. Alright, so now we got another pod of dolphins. We're going to zoom in and get up there and show you some dolphins up close. Now the good thing about taking a private charter is we can get up here, shut the motor off, and drift around, and we can stay with these dolphins as long as you want, or as little as you want, and let you get your videos and your pictures. And right now they don't mind us, and they're just swimming around the boat at their own pleasure. We don't do anything to bait them or bring them in. They just act natural. What these dolphins are doing is they're rounding up some dinner there. What they'll do is they'll chase these fish around. They'll slap their tail, try to spook up some fish. They'll try to round them up and trap them between the mangroves and them. Then they'll rush in there and eat up those fish for dinner.